Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. Today we're going to see how to make a typical Mangalorean Kori Saru, which is a chicken curry. So for this curry, I'm going to be using Bedgi mirchis, 25 of them. So basically Bedgi mirchis are not too spicy and they give an amazing color to your curry, and also 1.5 tablespoon of coriander seeds. I'm going to just dry roast them. The chilies have also turned dark red in color, and also the coriander seeds have released a beautiful aroma. Now I'm going to grind this along with tomatoes. First, what I'm going to do is grind the coriander seeds and the chilies. And instead of adding water to this to make a paste, I'm going to add tomatoes. So here I'm using 2 medium tomatoes. Now this paste I'm going to use to marinate 1 kg of chicken. Now we'll just keep this aside and let it rest for at least half an hour. Meanwhile, what we are going to do is grind 3 medium-sized onions along with 10 large cloves of garlic and 2 inches of ginger to a fine paste. Our paste is ready as well. Here I have already kept a kadai to heat with 3 tablespoons of ghee. I'm just going to fry these onions. I'm going to saute this paste till it's slightly dry and the oil separates. Now while this is happening, we're going to be sauteing a few spices. So I'm going to heat a teaspoon of ghee. I'm going to add 1 mace, a small piece of nutmeg, 1 inch of cinnamon, 3 green cardamoms, 6 cloves, and then to this a teaspoon of poppy seeds. This is optional. And then immediately I'm going to add 2 cups of fresh grated coconut to this and saute this till the coconut is nice and brown. The coconut has browned well. Let's switch off the flame and wait for this to cool and grind it to a fine paste. The coconut mixture has cooled down. We'll grind this to a fine paste. As you can see, the oil has separated here. Let's add the marinated chicken and let's saute the chicken on a high flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Our coconut and spice paste is also ready. We also sauteed our chicken for more than 3 to 4 minutes. We'll add this to the chicken, mix this well. Add a liter of water to this. Let's add salt to this. Give it a good stir. And cover this and cook till the chicken is done. After cooking the chicken for almost 25 to 30 minutes on a medium to low flame, our Kori Saru is ready to be served. I'm going to switch off the flame and remove this in a serving bowl. Usually I serve this Kori Saru with a moist coconut milk rice, the recipe of which I will share it with you very soon. But do try this recipe, serve it with bread of any choice or steamed rice, and do let me know and keep watching Get Curried.